Hello everyone, this is Aparna Bhat and welcome to our YouTube channel Abhijna Legal Maps. So this is a YouTube channel specially dedicated to those students who want to understand the topics relating to law in English. Okay, so it could be South Indian students or North Eastern students or the entire students of India, the law students who would like to understand the law topics, who may not be able to follow Hindi and they may want to learn online. Then this channel would be of a great help to you all. Okay, so today we are going to understand regarding the rights of the arrested persons in Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Samhita corresponding to CRPC as well. So this topic, particularly this rights of the arrested person. So not only the rights of the arrested persons, but the topic arrest is very important with reference to all India bar examinations or the LLB semesters, or it could be judiciary exams as well. Okay, in each of the exams we can find at least one question. Earlier it was like if I have to tell the questions, when the police can arrest without warrant, what are the rights of the arrested person, what powers do the police have while arresting a person. So these are some of the common questions which are asked in the examinations irrespective of the level, okay, because the sections are the same. So when it comes to the rights of the arrested person, it's one angle of the topic arrest which is very important. Let's understand them with the help of this chart. Okay, so if you are interested in buying these kinds of charts, we have a separate chart book. You can find them in Abhijna Law Series app, or also you can find in Amazon app, where the link has been given in the description below. So you can find all the related descriptions below, the related link in the descriptions below, so you can check them out. So let's begin. Okay, see, when a person is being arrested, when he is arrested, he has certain rights. The constitution itself has guaranteed those rights, and that is the fundamental right which is given under article 22. Okay, you can see that article 22 of the constitution provides certain rights, and the same have been derived and adopted in CRPC as well, and the same thing has continued in BNSS as well. Okay, so first let us understand what are the rights given under the constitution. Those are the fundamental rights which we can find in article 22. Article 22 speaks regarding the arrest and also the rights of the persons who are detained under preventive detention laws. So it provides rights to them also. But let us understand, let us stick our matter only to the topic of the arrest. See, when it comes to the rights of the arrested person, first of all, when a person is arrested, he has the right to know the grounds of arrest, why he is being arrested, that he needs to know. Okay, that is very important. And also in section 50 CRPC and section 47 BNSS, the same thing has been given. So he needs to have the advocate, he has the right to consult and everything extra. But first of all, he needs to know why he is being arrested, on what grounds he is being arrested. That is the first right to be informed of grounds. Then he has the right to be informed that he has the right to consult the lawyer, consult the legal practitioner, and he is also supposed to be defended, because he cannot be left like that only. Some lawyer has to defend him. If no one is defending him, then the legal service, free legal aid is being provided. Okay, see, rights of indigent arrested person to free legal aid. This is for those persons who are not able to provide sufficient fees for the lawyers. Okay, so if indigent persons are there, they are having the right to be informed that, they have the right to be informed that, okay, you are having the right to free legal aid, and also such free legal aid has to be provided to them. Okay, so both that we can find under section 304 of CRPC and section 341 of BNSS. Okay, that is one such thing. And right to consult and defended by legal practitioner, that we can find in article 22, and also here section 303 CRPC. So section 303, 304, and also section 41D CRPC also suggests that. And also see, when a legal practitioner is there, he can be present during the interrogation. When the police is conducting the interrogation of the arrested person, the advocate can be present, but he cannot insist that he can be present throughout the interrogation. That he cannot do, but he can be present during the interrogation. That is the rule provided under section 41D. And the third right is right of not being detained for more than 24 hours. See, here we have two aspects. A person can be arrested, okay, and when he is arrested, he cannot be kept in police station throughout. He needs to be produced before the magistrate. But up to what time he can be kept in the police station before producing before the magistrate? So, maximum he can be kept for 24 hours. For 24 hours he can be kept in the police station. But what if he is arrested somewhere in the Bihar? He is arrested in Bihar and he has to be brought to Kerala. He has to be brought before Kerala magistrate. Then what will happen to this time? The journey time has to be excluded while bringing him. Okay, journey time has to be excluded in bringing that person from the place of arrest to the place of the magistrate. That has to be excluded, and then they have to count the 24 hours of time. That is a very important rule provided under the constitution, and the same thing has been included in section 58 and section 676 CRPC. So, what is the difference here? We can find two sections here. See, police can arrest without warrant and police can arrest with warrant, right. So, these sections are for those provisions which says that police can be arrested without, police can arrest without warrant, police can arrest with warrant. In both are arrest provisions only, but when they are being arrested, they need to be, they should not be kept more than 24 hours in their detention. Okay. So, this is what this section suggests. So, this is a very important section because many times in many multiple choice questions, these questions have been asked for many times. Okay. So, we cannot ignore them. So, please remember these two sections and the corresponding sections of BNSS as well. Section 58 is for when a police can arrest without warrant. Section 76 is when police has arrested without warrant. In both the circumstances, they cannot detain a arrested person more than 24 hours without judicial scrutiny. Yes, this is one such right. So, these are the three constitutional rights. The same thing has been adopted here also, and other rights under CRPC are they have the right to be informed of right to bail. Okay, they need to be informed that regarding bail provisions. They have the there are two offences, right? Bailable offences and non-bailable offences. So, when offences are there, how do we know whether they are bailable or non-bailable? We have to find in the first schedule of CRPC or the BNSS. So, there they would have given. So, when it is of a bailable offence, the police or the judicial magistrate, they can release an arrested person on bond or on bail bond, etc. So, without if the person does not know, how will he arrange for bail, right? So, he needs to be informed that okay, you have been arrested in a bailable offence, you are having the right to bail if you provide bail. Bail in the sense, sometimes they need to write a bond, sometimes they need to provide a surety. So, in these cases they may have to provide the bail. Okay. Then this one I already have told you that right of indigent arrested person to free legal aid and to be informed about it. Section 304 and section 341 BNSS says it so. And the last right is that if a person is being arrested, he needs to be examined by the medical practitioner. It could be a registered medical practitioner. So, there is specific definitions for that, like who is a registered medical practitioner. In a very common words, if you have to say, it is the government doctor. Government doctor has to examine him, right. So, that is also provided under the section 54 CRPC and section 53 BNSS. Yes. So, this is a very favorite question and many a times frequently asked question. So, this is the foundation. I won't say these the rights are only limited to this. There could be sub rights also, but these are the very basic foundational rights which you need to write. Compulsorily you need to write, you cannot miss these rights. Okay? Yes. So, this was all about the rights of the arrested person. In the next session, I will be teaching about what is cognizance and what are the limitations on cognizance. So, I think this would be of certain help to you in understanding, in writing LLB questions. So, if you write these points and the sections, the articles, add some explanations to this, then definitely this would be of this will fetch you good marks if these questions have been asked. Okay. Yes, this was all about today's class, and also I wanted to mention that we also have Abhijna Law Series app. So, you can find different study material. The 3 criminal law study materials are provided here, and also we can see that some free mock tests are there, so you can check out them. Or also in Amazon also you can find our books. We have up to 7 study materials which are available, so you can check them. See 3 criminal laws which have been provided in the chart format. Okay, they have given in the chart format that you can check. So, the cost is 1500 rupees. 3 books are given which will be posted to you, physical books. Yes. So, this was all about today's class. So, if you are interested, definitely check this app which is available in Google Play Store. If you are having iPhone, then there is a small deviation from what I said. There is another method which you can find out by texting to the number which is appearing on the screen, that is 9036201870. This was all about today's class. So, thank you, take care, bye bye, and see you in my next class. Take care, bye bye.